Hey there folks, it is Sam from Set to Close, and I'm going to walk you through a little bit of deals and pipelines right now and show you how to kind of navigate this part. So first thing you'll see, let's talk about the pipeline first. You're going to see appointment scheduled, qualified to buy, presentation scheduled, decision maker bought in, all these great titles. Obviously, different pipelines call for different levels of customization, and this is just the demo portal. But what you're seeing here is all the deal stages that would come with your pipeline. And obviously, like I said, those are editable and changeable, but this is where you would see your deals populate. This is how you'd move them through, where you could visualize where people are in the process. You can also see them in a list view if you hit these three lines here in the left, but usually we find it's a lot easier and a lot more visual to do it this way. As you can see, my colleague Frank has made some sample deals in here, but I'll show you how to create a deal as well. You just go to the big orange button, create a deal, and then you would fill it with a name. We can call this Sam's practice deal. And we'll throw it into, you can choose a pipeline. You can have multiple pipelines. We'll just throw it in this one, the sales pipeline. And we'll call this appointment scheduled for the sake of argument. You can put in, if you know what dollar amount you're talking about already, you can input that as well. We'll $500. And we'll say our expected close date is April 30th, 2023. You can select what kind of deal type it is. Is it new business, existing business? What kind of priority you want to assign to it? These are all great things you can do. You can associate it with a contact, let's say Maria Johnson, and you can also associate it with a company, test.com, if it's not already associated. And then what you would just do is hit create, and you'll see the page will refresh, and you'll be brought to Sam's practice deal. So you'll see here who's your main contact at this company, and you will see everything else. But we'll go into this in more depth a little bit later. For now, to return to the pipeline, after creating a deal, you'll see it populate in here, and you can just easily move this deal along. If, let's say, Maria is a qualified buyer, you can just drop her in qualified to buy. That'll update the card, it'll update everything in here, and we'll get more into that in another video. But for this video, what I want you to understand is how to create a deal. You hit create deal, enter all the info that I showed, and you put them in where in the pipeline they fit, whether that's appointment scheduled, qualified to buy, presentation scheduled, and you can just start moving them through. So that's how the pipeline looks in HubSpot. Obviously, this is customizable. You can have multiple, but these are the basics. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching, and keep removing those revenue roadblocks. If you want more videos like this, follow our channel for fresh, new content every day. Check out our RevOps playlist, or how about this video chosen just for you? See you next time.